Hello everyone, okay, it's Birendra, your chemistry teacher, and today I am in front of you with a new topic, how to find antilog in chemistry. In my previous video, I have already talked about how to find log. So, the second part of log, after log comes antilog. So, in this video, we will discuss how to find antilog in chemistry. So, many questions just like in this electrochemistry, in chemical kinetics, we have to find, first we have to find log and after that we have to find anti-log. So, see here, first of all we have to find anti-log. So, suppose this is log x and the value of log x is equal to y. So, what we can say? We can say that x will be equal to anti-log of y. Okay. Now, suppose if I am taking here in place of log x, if I am taking log 20. So, with the help of the log table, I know that the log 20, this is equal to the value of log 20 is equal to 1.3010. Okay, this is characteristic, and then we have to find 20 on the 0 position. So, 1 is characteristic because n minus 1 we have to take. So, there are two significant figures. So, this will be 1 and 20 in the log table, the value will be 3010. So, log 20 is equal to this. So, we can say that anti-log of 1.3010, this will be equal to 20. And remember, anti-log is always found or always calculated in decimal part. We do not consider characteristics, there is no need to consider characteristic part, only this decimal part is important in this case. Okay. So, now see what are the rules for it. Now, the first important thing that comes in anti-log, okay, that is how to insert decimal. Okay. This is very important part, how to insert decimal. Suppose I have seen the, I have got the value, we will take the example also after this. And now, after getting the value from the log table, the important thing is how to insert decimal. So, here also again there are two rules are there for inserting decimal, A and this is B. Okay. So, A means if the number is positive, okay, or if the log we can say is positive, for positive log and for negative log. Okay. Now, see, if the value of log is positive, then how we will do? We will apply the rule for inserting decimal n plus 1. Okay. And if log is negative, then we will apply, how we will insert decimal? Then we will insert decimal at nth place. Now, with the help of example, now see here, we will take few examples. Now, suppose I am taking the number, okay. So, this is the number and this is its anti-log value. okay, number, and then how to find anti-log value of the given number. Okay. So, suppose I have a number, this is the number, this is the number, suppose number is 0.4, 5, 6 and 7. So, first thing that I have to find its anti-log. What I will do, because only decimal part is needed, characteristic is not required here. So, what I will do, with the help of the log table, I will see in anti-log. Here we have to use anti-log. So, anti-log table at 45, I will see the reading at 6, and then 7 at 7th place, what is the mean difference that I will add here. So, suppose with the help of the anti-log table, suppose the value of 0.4567, this is coming 2863, this is the value coming. Now, the important thing is how to insert decimal. Now, how we will insert decimal here? Okay. So, the first rule, what was the first rule? N plus 1. Okay. Now, this n is characteristic, and in characteristic we have to add 1. So, n means this is 0 here. Okay. N is 0 and 1 we have to add. So, this will become 1. That means now where we have to insert decimal? We have to insert decimal at first place, means n is equal to 1. So, we have to insert decimal here. So, the number 0.4567, its anti-log value will be 2.863. Clear? Now, if the same number, suppose this is 1.4567. Now, this is the number. Now, to find its anti-log, okay. So, we have to consider only this part. So, the value will remain same, it won't change. So, it will be 2, 8, 6 and 3. Now, where to insert decimal? What I will do now? Because now my characteristic or n is 1. So, same formula, because the number is positive. Okay, this is not negative number. So, what I will do? Now, n is 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That means, where we will insert the decimal after second place, second significant number. So, this is 2, so 1 and 2. So, here we will insert decimal. This is the second place, 28.63. This is the way. Okay. If in the same number, now the number is this, 2.4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So, anti-log of this number will be same. Okay. We have to find the anti-log of 2.4567. So, this value will remain same, because we do not have to consider this place. So, the value will be same, 2, 8, 6 and 3. But how to insert decimal now? Okay. How to insert decimal now? N is 2. So, we will take 2 and add 1, that means 3. So, where we have to insert this 3? We have to insert decimal after third. Okay. So, 1, 2 and 3. So, here we will insert decimal 286.3. Now, in the same number, suppose the number is 3.4567. Okay. You know, anti-log will be same, 2863. Anti-log will not change. Okay. Only the position of decimal will be changed. So, this is 3.4567. So, that means n is equal to 3 and plus 1, this is equal to 4. That means, now we have to insert decimal at fourth place. So, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, the number will be 2863, means the anti-log of 3.4567 will be 2863. Now, is the same number, suppose I am taking here 5 point. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So, n will be 5 now. So, 5 plus 1, this will become 6. Okay. So, how I will now see how to insert decimal. First of all, I will write the value, antilog value of this decimal part. Now, this is 6th place. So, I will count from here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So, this way its value will be 2, 8, 6, 3 and 0, 0. Okay. So, similarly, this is the way how to find the anti-log of the number if it is positive. Now, for the second rule, if the number is negative, now see here, now the number is negative. This is very important because only with the help of these values you can solve your numericals. Okay. Now we are taking negative numbers. Okay. So, negative number, same number I am taking. So, the number is 4, this is negative, okay, bar, and the number is same 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, again here, again the anti-log of 45 we have to see at 6 and then we have to take the mean difference at 7th place and add it out. So, the value will remain same, it will be 2, 8, 6 and 3. Now, how to insert decimal because the number is negative, this is negative number. So, for negative the rule is we have to insert decimal at nth place. Okay. Now, nth place is 1. Okay. So, I am taking here 1. So, that means that you have to insert decimal so that this number should come at first place. So, that means I have to insert decimal here. Okay. Because decimals should be in this way that the significant number should come at first place. So, now if I count from here, it is coming 1. Okay. Now, same way, if I am taking another example, so if it is 2 bar, same number less than 1. Now, this is also negative number 2.4567, this is negative number. Okay. So, value will be same, I know. This mantissa will be same for everyone. So, how to insert decimal now? See, this is 2 negative. So, the nth, n means 2. That means now I have to count from here. So, this is first and this is coming. So, this should come at second place. So, how it will come at second place? Suppose this is first place. So, I have to put 1 0 here. Now, you can see this was first place. Now, this is coming first and this is coming second. So, I can write it like this. So, this number will be 0.02. So, I have to insert decimal in this way. Okay. Now, if same number, this is 3 negative. Okay. For positive, we have to, the decimal will go right hand side, and for negative numbers, this decimal will move towards our left hand side. Okay. So, this is 3 bar. So, value will be same 2, 8, 6 and 3. Now, this is 3. So, nth value of n is 3. So, I have to insert decimal at third place. So, how? I will count, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So, this way I can say it 0.002863. This will be the value of this. If same way, now see, if I am taking 5 bar, 4.67. This is the number. Okay. So, this value will remain same. This is 2, 8, 6 and 3. Okay. Now, what I will do? I have to put decimal at 5th place. So, I will count from here. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So, if I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So, this is the way we can insert decimal in antilog if the number is greater than 1 or it is positive, and if number is less than 1 or the number is negative. Now, coming to some examples. Okay. Now, see here. Now, see, sometime we have the question in your solid state. See here, this is the formula D is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Avogadro number. Okay. So, sometime you have to find the value of A cube and it becomes very difficult for you to solve how to find the A cube. So, for this we can easily use log and then antilog. Okay. So, suppose I am giving you the question. Suppose I have a question, this is the question A cube. Suppose you have to find the value of A cube. Okay. So, the value of A cube, suppose it is coming 0.00, we can say 4689. This is our number and we have to find A. So, how we will do it? Now, see here. This is for such type of question for solid state. That means we have to take the cube root of this. So, how we will do? We can say that A is equal to cube root of this value. Okay. Or what we can say that this A, we can say now that this is the cube root. Okay. Now, how to solve it? For solving it, we will take the help of the log. So, I can say that log A. Now, log A will be equal to log of this value, log 0.004689 and the value of this will become 1 upon 3. Okay. Now, I can say that log A, I have to solve first log A. So, log A will be equal to, now I can say that this is equal to 1 upon 3, this is 1 upon 3. So, this will be log 1 upon 3 log and multiplied by this value 0.00489. Okay. Now, this value we have to find with the help of the log table. Okay. So, see here log A is equal to 1 upon 3 and with the help of the log table, now we have to find this value. Okay. So, first, because the number is less than 1. Okay. That means this is negative number and the characteristic of this number will be according to log table or according to seeing the rule for this log 1, 2 and 3. Significant number is coming at 3rd place. So, this will be 3 bar, 3 negative we can say. Okay. And then with the help of the log table, we will find the value of 48 at 9 and the value of this is, we have, I can put here decimal and this is equal to 6716. This is the value. Okay, with the log table. Now, we will solve it. So, we can say that log A is equal to, now this can be cancelled here. Okay. So, 3 divided by 3, this will come 1 bar or 1 negative, and if you divide this portion, so this will come 3 2 ja 6, 2, and this is 6 and this is 7. So, log A will be equal to 1 bar or 1 negative 0.2267. Now, we have to find, up to here this is log. Now, we have to find anti-log. Okay. So, for anti-log, now what we will do, see here. Now, the second part of this question, we have to find anti-log of this question. Now, I will write the question. This is log A. So, I am writing here, this is log A is equal to 1 negative 2267. Okay. That means, this A will be equal to, this will be equal to anti-log of 1 negative 2267. So, we have seen that log A is equal to 1 bar 0.2267, or we can say that A will be equal to anti-log of this number, anti-log 1 bar 2267. Okay. Now, this portion we have to solve. Now, we can say that the number is negative. So, we will apply second law, that is nth place. Okay. So, first of all, what we will do? We will, with the help of the anti-log table, we will find the value of 22 at 6, and then we will add mean difference of 7. So, after seeing it, the value that we will get, it will be 1674. Okay. Now, I have to insert the decimal. Now, see, the number is negative. That means n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, that means I have to insert decimal, so that this first significant figure should come at first place. So, how I will do it? I will insert the decimal here. So, this is equal to 0.1674, or A will be equal to this. So, in that question, if I want to find the edge length, this will be my answer. So, in this way, I can easily calculate the value of cubes. Okay. Now, one practice question I am giving to you, that you can do at home and practice to find log or anti-log. This is from the electrochemistry chapter. So, this is the question I am giving you. This is practice question. Question is, the cell in which the following reaction occurs. Two Fe 3 positive plus 2 iodine is giving 2 Fe 2 positive plus I2, and E naught of cell is equal to 0.236 volt at 298 Kelvin. Find its G naught and Kc. Okay, this is our question. Now, you can see here, this is the question. So, in this question, you have to find Gibbs energy and you have to find Kc. Kc means equilibrium constant you have to find. Okay. So, two formulas you have to apply here. First formula is delta First formula you will apply this one. This is the first formula that you have to apply. Okay? So, after applying this formula, then we will apply our second formula, that is delta Rg naught this is equal to, we can say, minus 2.303 log. Okay. So, this is the simple formula with the help of this, because N we can find with the help of this reactions, okay, and F Faraday constant we know, and the value of E naught of the cell is already given to you. Now, with the help of this formula, now we are able to find delta Rg value we will get, and this is unknown. So, this we have to find. So, for this equation, now we have to use first log, and then we have to use anti-log. I am giving you the answer of this question. The answer of this question is this. So, this is the answer of this question. You have to do it yourself. This is 9.616 into 10 raised to power 7. This is the answer of this question. So, you have to try it. If you are unable to do it, you can write a comment, and in my next video I can solve it. Thank you.